Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Dear students, welcome to chemistry online classes. Today we are going to discuss about alkanes physical properties especially and configuration of alkanes. Different types of staggered configuration is there, that and all we will discuss in this class, my dear students. Okay, my dear students, first is physical properties of alkanes. The first property is the alkanes up to 4 atoms are gases. That means only 4 carbon atom is there in alkane. Butane 4 carbon. Pentane means 5 carbon atom is there. Till 4 it is gas. Butane is gas. Okay. Till 4 it is gas. Alkane up to C17. Next 4 to 17 carbon atom is there. Then it is liquids. Understood? If alkanes are more than C17, more than 17 carbon is there, then it is solids. Okay, 1 to 4 carbon atom is there means it's a gases. For example, butane. More than 4 carbon is there means C7 till C17, 17 carbon atom are liquids. More than 17 carbon atom is there, then it is solids. Okay, my dear students. Alkanes are insoluble in water. Water insoluble, but soluble in organic solvents such as benzene, ether, etc. It is soluble in organic solvents like benzene, ether, etc. Next point, my dear students, the boiling point of N-alkane increases with the increase in molecular masses. That means BP, I wrote here short form BP. BP increases with the increase in molecular mass. BP increases with molecular mass. You just imagine your body weight is increasing. That means your mass is increasing. Correct? Like that, at that time we can say that BP also increases. Like that same. When the BP increases, that means boiling point of N-alkane increases with the increase in its molecular mass. Its molecular mass is increases, same time boiling point also increases. For every addition of CH2 group, if we add one CH2 group to that particular chain, 20 to 30 degree Celsius boiling point increases. By adding one more you are adding. So you okay, one carbon long chain is there alkane, to that you added one CH2 group, 20 to 30 degree Celsius boiling point increased. Again you are adding one more CH2 group, again 20 to 30 degree Celsius temperature boiling point increases. That means that much you have to boil more you are adding CH2 group, more you have to heat. That means more is the boiling point. Okay, as the branching increases, boiling point decreases. Remember, branch increases. So I give an example. N-pentane boiling point is 36 degrees Celsius. No branch. N-pentane long chain, 30 degrees Celsius. Isopentane branch, one branch is formed, correct? No, it is actually 28 degrees Celsius. And neopentane, again neopentane more is the branching, correct? No, the single central carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4 is attached, 4 branches. So again more is the branching, boiling point decreases. More branch, BP decreases. Remember, neopentane 9.5 degrees Celsius, 9.5 degree, less boiling point. More is the branching, easily you can break. Understood? More is the branch means easily you can break. Understood? Okay. Boiling point decreases. As the molecular mass increases, MP means melting point of solid. Understood? Here solid is also there actually. More than C17 carbon is there, solid. MP increases, molecular mass increases, BP increases, melting point also increases, boiling point increases, melting point. These are physical properties of alkane. This is not too important for you, but you just study this thing. Okay. My dear students, very important topic. Next one is conformation of alkanes. Conformation. What is actually conformation of alkanes? The question arises. Conformation means different spatial arrangement of atoms in a molecule is called conformations. Different spatial. My dear students, not facial, and you are always very conscious about your face beauty, means facial, applying facial things and all, cream, that and all. It is different. Different facial is different. Different spatial, space. In space, how it is arranged, how these atoms are arranged in space. Spatial arrangement, different spatial arrangement of atoms in a molecule, of atoms in molecule is called conformations. My dear students, there are two types of conformations. First is 3D conformation, 3D picture, you know that 3D effect, 3D glass and all they used to give, and you are watching in theater 3D movies. Yes, it's coming. One bullet is coming means you feel like that, oh, it's coming. Actually, you may feel like that, oh, correct? No, it is 3D effect. 2D means normal effect. 2D films, whatever you feel in old films and all there actually. 2D means everything in a slow motion only you can see, nothing will happen. But 3D means effect is more. But here two types of conformation, 3D and 2D. 3D conformation, one is 3D conformation. 3D conformation is called, 3D conformation is called what? My dear students, 3D conformation is called Sauer's formulae. Sauer's formulae. 2D conformation, 2D conformation is called Newman projection formula. Newman projection formula. Newman projection formula. My dear students, these two conformations, Newman projection formula. One is 2D conformation, another one is 3D conformation. Sauer's formula and Newman projection formula. I will teach you how to write in 3D method. 3D method I can't teach you now because it's not possible. Using board it's not possible, and we need more equipments for showing that and all. But okay, however, I will explain using board only 3D and 2D. But you feel the effect, the same effect will be same. Okay. First 3D. Sauer's formulae, and okay, we are going to discuss about 2D conformation. Okay, 2D is Newman projection formula. Okay, 3D means Sauer's formula. Okay, first is Newman's projection formula. 2D. For ethane, my dear students, ethane C2H6 is there. C2H6. It is nothing but here you can write like this: CH, CH, H, H, CH, CH, This is actually ethane, my dear students. This ethane you can write in three different ways in Newman projection formula. First is staggered form. Second one is eclipsed form. Solar eclipse, you know, same like that, eclipsed form. Third one is skew form. These are three different conformation of Newman projection formula for ethane, C2H6 molecule, correct? No? My dear students, in staggered form, there are in ethane 2 carbon atom is there, correct? No? So imagine one carbon at this end, another carbon at this end. This is actually front carbon for me, correct? No? See, I am keeping these things like this, and now this is front carbon for me, and behind this is actually back carbon, distant carbon, correct? No? Okay, I am arranging 3 hydrogen atom here, 1, 2, 3, here 1, 2, 3, okay. I can arrange in different ways. I will show you first staggered form. How can I arrange this one? In staggered form, front carbon inside the circle, see like this, this is front carbon actually, you are not writing it is carbon, but you should know that this is actually front carbon, like this. Back carbon is, back side it is there, you can't see that back carbon because when you keep this front carbon, you can see only front carbon. Can you see back carbon also? Then you have any extra power, okay. So just behind this, one more carbon is there, that is back carbon. To back carbon, hydrogen atom is attached to this circle, like this. So this line shows actually front carbon, and this is actually distant carbon, that means back carbon. Here, my dear students, very important thing, note down, in staggered conformation, write down here, in staggered form, front carbon represent inside the circle by adjacent lines, represent inside circle. See, inside circle, this is actually front carbon, inside circle by adjacent line is at inside circle, and hydrogen is attached to this carbon, and 3 hydrogen is attached to this carbon, hydrogen is attached to this carbon, 3 hydrogen is attached to this front carbon, and distant carbon also contain 3 hydrogen, that 3 hydrogen is attached to circle. See, this is 1 hydrogen, second hydrogen, not inside the circle. Distant carbon contains 3 hydrogen attached to circle. See, this one is circle, and front 3 carbon and back 3 carbon lie far away from each other. Imagine, my dear students, here this is actually front carbon for me. Here one hydrogen atom is there, but same time in back carbon there is no hydrogen atom here. Back See, here one hydrogen atom for me, here one more hydrogen atom, here one more. In between, see, here actually backside for me, hydrogen atom one down like this, one here, one here. Between this, that means here one hydrogen atom is there, for back carbon down. Okay, here one hydrogen atom, but back carbon that side different. So all the 6 hydrogen atom are lie far away from each other. Front carbon contains hydrogen atom and back carbon contains, in this, front carbon contains hydrogen atom and back carbon contain hydrogen atom, back carbon contain hydrogen atom, lie far away, lie far away, far away from each other, from each other, from each other, lie far away from each other. ಒಬ್ಬರಿಂದ ಒಬ್ಬರು ದೂರ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇದ್ದ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಕಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆನೇ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ರೈಟ್. ಲೈ ಫಾರ್ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್, back carbon contain hydrogen, lie far away from each other. Less repulsion, less repulsion, repulsion between hydrogen contain electron and front carbon contains hydrogen and that hydrogen contain electron and back carbon contain hydrogen, hydrogen contain electron. Repulsion between these electrons are very less, less repulsion because they are far away from each other. Less repulsion, more stability, more stable. Which one, my dear students? Staggered conformation, staggered conformation. Okay, right on. Less repulsion, more stability. Next we are going to study about eclipsed conformation. Is over. In eclipsed conformation, what you are going to write means solar eclipse, you know that moon covers sun. Actually sun is there behind, correct? No? At that time what happens? Once moon cover completely sun means you cannot see sun at that time. What actually meaning? Sun is there behind, correct? No? Just moon covers this particular. Like that only, eclipse, one eclipsed over another. Here eclipsed form, I will explain, my dear students. This is front carbon contains 3 hydrogen and back carbon contains 3 hydrogen also, same place, but I can't show the same big. If I draw one more line here means you may ask, sir, where is back carbon contains hydrogen? So I just little moved and I shown like this, but it's actually dead opposite. See here one hydrogen is there, same side back also one hydrogen is there. I can see only front hydrogen because same behind one person is standing, just behind one more person is standing. Can you see back side? No. If is okay, same height means okay, can you see that person behind, one who stand behind you? No, it's not possible. Front person only you can see. If you are standing from here looking, okay, only one person is standing. In Chinese dance and all you can see a lot of these things are hands are coming like this, but you can't see that person behind. Many will stand like this in one line, 5 to 10. Understood? But they show only hand like this. That is like eclipse, one eclipse over another. You cannot see that backside person. The same thing happen. You can see the front carbon just behind. Front carbon contains hydrogen atom, just opposite. That means same exact position. Back carbon contains also hydrogen. So this actually I represent little I change. It means why means to for your understanding purpose. Okay, don't get confused. This is just opposite means dead opposite. Here one hydrogen, to that same side one more hydrogen in back carbon. Front side one hydrogen, same back side one more hydrogen. But I can't show this one. In this one it is difficult. 3D means it's okay. Okay, this is actually eclipsed form. You write it this for this one you write in this conformation, in this eclipsed conformation, front carbon contain hydrogen atom, eclipsed rear carbon means back carbon is also called rear, front, okay, you write like this, okay. In this eclipsed conformation, my dear student, front carbon contains hydrogen atom eclipsed over, back carbon contains hydrogen atom, one another eclipsed. So here more is the repulsion, all the electrons are in same side, more is the repulsion, less stable, understood? That means front and back carbon are in same position, it contains hydrogen atom are in same position, front carbon contains hydrogen atom are in same position, back carbon contains hydrogen atom are in same position. This is about eclipsed conformation. My dear students, next one more is there, skew conformation. Skew. In skew actually, front carbon contains hydrogen atom and back carbon contains hydrogen atom little moved. That means between staggered and eclipsed form, you can see skew form. Between staggered and eclipsed form, which form is present? Skew form. Understood? You write skew form. In skew form, lie between staggered and eclipsed form. My dear students, now you tell me, in this figure, here if you ask whether it is staggered form, no. Whether it is eclipsed form, no. In between staggered and eclipsed form, skew form is there. So which one is more stable, my dear students? Which one is more stable? Which form is more stable? Staggered form is more stable. Okay, my dear students, staggered form is more stable than which form? Then skew form. Skew form between this one. Then eclipsed form. So least stable is eclipsed form. Highest stable is staggered form, because in staggered form all the 6 hydrogen atom are far away from each other. In eclipsed form all the 6 hydrogen atom are in same position. Here in skew form between staggered and eclipsed form it is there. So more stable form is staggered form. More stable, ಯಾವುದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಟಸ್ಥ, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಗರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ದೂರ ಉಂಟು, ಲೆಸ್ ರಿಪಲ್ಷನ್. Next is skew, next eclipsed. So these 3 forms are called 2D forms, or Newman projection formula for ethanes. These 3 forms are very important, my dear students. Once again, staggered form, it contains front carbon and back carbon. In front carbon contains 3 hydrogen atom are far away from back carbon contains hydrogen atom. and front hydrogen atom or carbon atom are present inside the circle, back hydrogen atom are attached to the circle. Understood? Back carbon contains hydrogen atom are attached to the circle, and in eclipsed form front carbon contains hydrogen atom are faced same opposite, means back side also opposite to one another. Understood? Back side carbon contains hydrogen atom. In skew form, this lies between these two form. Okay, these are Newman projection formula. Which one is more stable? Staggered form is more stable than skew form, then eclipsed form. Next is Sauer's formula, projection formula. Sauer's projection formula. In Sauer's projection formula, front carbon, this one, back carbon is this one. Okay, front carbon at the lower end, this one, down. Okay, this contains 3 hydrogen atom, 1, 2nd, 3rd hydrogen atom, and back carbon contains 3 hydrogen atom, rear, back, or it is called rear carbon. Understood? And here in this two formation are possible, eclipsed form and staggered form. Eclipsed form means, my dear students, like this. Staggered form means this hydrogen will be downward face, like this, down faced, this hydrogen. In a staggered Sauer's formula, eclipsed, there is no skew form in this one. Only eclipsed Sauer's formula and staggered Sauer's formula is present. Okay. And you write one more, torsional strain. One point, my dear students, torsional what is torsional mean? The repulsive interaction of electron cloud. 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 Repulsive interaction of electron cloud which affect the stability of an atom or conformation. Which affect the stability of conformation, that I explained, my dear students. Which one is more stable? Staggered form is more stable, less repulsive interaction, repulsive interaction of electron cloud which affect the electron cloud, CLOUD, electron cloud, which affect the stability of conformation is called torsional strain. Okay, no doubt. My dear students, which one having highest torsional strain, which form having, which conformation having highest torsional strain? Staggered conformation having highest torsional strain. Sorry, not staggered conformation. Eclipsed conformation experience highest repulsion, that means highest torsional strain. And which one having lowest torsional strain? Which conformation? Staggered conformation having lowest torsional strain. See how you are getting these conformations. Staggered, these different conformation I explained. How you are getting these conformations? For example, all eclipsed forms are there. That means here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen. Same side, rear carbon also contains same hydrogen. How we are getting different forms? You are just rotating the, imagine you are rotating like this, twisting like this. Okay, for rotating I need a duster or something. Okay. Imagine this is actually one end, another end. If you twist like this, okay, like this you rotate. At that time conformation will get changed. Eclipse will get changed into staggered. Again you rotate, it may change to skew conformation. That rotational energy for CC rotation, that is called CC rotation. Here one carbon is there, here one carbon is there. You are rotating, you are changing conformations by rotating CC bond. Changing conformation, changing conformation by rotating CC bond is called torsional energy. Torsional energy. Energy required for changing the conformation by rotating CC bond is called torsional energy. Energy required, once again I will explain my dear students, energy required for changing conformation, by rotating CC bond is called torsional energy. That's what I explained my dear students. You are rotating, so you are keeping this, see back carbon is like this is there, one nitrogen is one nitrogen, again front carbon also contains same, and you just rotate and it gives Q form, again you rotate, it may give a staggered form, understood? Eclipse form to skew form to staggered form. You are rotating this bond, understood? By rotating the CC bond, you will get three different conformation. That energy is required for rotating that CC single bond is called torsional energy. Okay, torsional energy. Here torsional strain is explained, torsional energy also explained. Torsional energy. Okay.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.